Deep hair conditioner. Give hair a deep repairing treatment with this super creamy intensive conditioner. It penetrates deep to restore moisture and shine and strengthen weak, brittle, dry and damaged hair. Natural factors. Antioxidant-rich extra virgin olive oil and a Botanical Scalp Complex help restore moisture and shine while minimizing breakage. Also helps soothe irritation and relieve dry, itchy scalp. Finest ingredients. We strive to use only the finest natural, raw ingredients to bring you soft, hydrated and beautiful hair and skin. We support sustainable production of shea and cocoa butter and coconut oil worldwide. Choose what's real. Our beauty products and hair and skin treatments feature real high-quality, plant-based ingredients in formulas that really work to hydrate and soften, from lip balm to bar soap to body butter. Palmer's. Our cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, and vitamin E product lines include creams, balms, lotions, oils and soaps for hand and body, face, lip, and hair care, pregnancy and stretch mark care. Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Shine Therapy Deep Conditioning Pack is a sulfate-free intense hydration treatment that recovers extremely dry hair and scalp while minimizing frizz. The Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Shine Therapy Collection perfectly nourishes dull, frizzy hair and dry scalp to maximize fullness and improve manageability, for irresistibly soft and shiny hair. This shine-enhancing emollient packed with antioxidants soaks into the hair, preserving hydration while smoothing strands and minimizing frizz, creating softer, shinier, more manageable hair. Olive oil also invigorates the skin and soothes tightness to support a healthy scalp foundation. Helps rid the scalp of environmental toxins, creating an optimal foundation for growing hair. Jamaican black castor oil also locks in moisture and promotes fuller strands. Top reviews from the United States. Make food taste great. You can add it to like anything really.